Did you know that most mechanics charge over $50 just to check your check engine light? What if I told you that you could do it yourself for free in just a few seconds? Sounds good, right? Well, that's exactly why you need an OBD2 scanner. It's the ultimate tool every car owner should have. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a beginner, or just someone who wants to save money, this device will change the way you maintain your car forever. So, what exactly is an OBD2 scanner? It's a small device that connects to your car's computer and tells you what's wrong with it. Instead of guessing, you get the exact problem code, making car repairs faster and cheaper. Think of it like a doctor's stethoscope, but for your car. Now, let's talk about why every car owner should have an OBD2 scanner. It saves you money. No more paying mechanics just to check your car. Instantly detects problems. Know what's wrong before heading to the repair shop. Monitors fuel economy. Helps you drive smarter and save gas. Prevents major breakdowns. Fix small issues before they get worse. Super easy to use. Just plug it in, scan, and get instant results. Enhances car resale value. Selling your car? With an OBD2 scanner, you can prove your car is in great condition, increasing its resale price. Gives you peace of mind. Whether you're going on a road trip or just daily commuting, you'll always know if your car is running smoothly. And the best part? Many OBD2 scanners now come with Bluetooth, so you can check your car's health right from your phone. How to use an OBD2 scanner? Using an OBD2 scanner is super simple. Here's how it works. 1. Find the OBD2 port. It's usually under your dashboard. 2. Plug in the scanner. It powers up instantly. 3. Turn on your car. The scanner will start reading data. 4. Check the trouble codes. These codes tell you exactly what's wrong. 5. Use an app or Google to understand the codes. Some scanners even give you repair suggestions. See how easy that was? You don't need any technical knowledge. Now that you know why OBD2 scanners are a must-have, let's talk about the top 5 best OBD2 scanners from AliExpress. Why AliExpress? AliExpress is a popular choice for purchasing OBD2 scanners for several reasons. 1. Wide selection. AliExpress offers a vast range of OBD2 scanners, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a basic model or a high-end diagnostic tool, you'll find plenty of options. 2. Competitive prices. The platform is known for its competitive pricing, often offering products at lower prices compared to other retailers. This makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. 3. Customer reviews. AliExpress features extensive customer reviews and ratings, helping you make informed decisions based on real user experiences, and more. 1. Foxwell GT60, the ultimate diagnostic scanner for every car owner. Looking for a professional-grade car scanner that saves you time and money on repairs? Meet the Foxwell GT60, an advanced OBD2 diagnostic tool with full system scanning, 24+ reset services, and active testing, all in a sleek, easy-to-use touchscreen tablet. Why you need the Foxwell GT60? Full system diagnostics. Scan ABS, SRS, transmission, engine, TPMS, and more to pinpoint issues fast. Bidirectional control, active tests. Send commands to components like fuel injectors, ABS pumps, and fans to see if they work before replacing them. 24+ reset and service functions. Oil reset, EPB if regeneration, BMS, injector coding, and more for hassle-free maintenance. Live data and graphing. Get real-time sensor data for accurate troubleshooting. Wireless connectivity. Bluetooth-enabled VCI means no cables, no mess. One-touch updates. Stay ahead with Wi-Fi software updates for the latest car models. Easy to use. 7-inch touchscreen, fast interface, and automatic VIN recognition for quick scanning. Who is this for? Mechanics, DIY car enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to avoid costly dealership visits. Get your Foxwell GT60 today at the best price on AliExpress and start diagnosing like a pro. Link in the description. The Foxwell GT60 is like having a mechanic in your pocket, scanning every system, finding issues, and saving you money. But what if you want something that's not just smart, but genius level with lifetime free updates? Imagine a scanner that works for years without begging for a subscription. That's the ThinkCar ThinkScan 689. It's like buying a car diagnostic tool that actually stays loyal. By the way, if you're wondering which scanner works best for your specific car model and budget, just drop your car details and price range in the comments. I'll help you find the perfect one. 2. ThinkCar ThinkScan 689, the most powerful OBD2 scanner for full car diagnostics. Want a professional car scanner with full system scanning, ECU coding, active tests, and lifetime free updates? Meet the ThinkCar ThinkScan 689, an advanced OBD2 scanner packed with features without subscription fees. Why choose the ThinkScan 689? Full system diagnostics, scan engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, TPMS, BCM, and more for fast issue detection. Bidirectional control, active tests, send commands to components like injectors, fans, and throttle bodies to verify function before replacing parts. ECU coding and special functions. Customize and unlock hidden features on supported vehicles. 34+ reset and service functions. Includes oil reset, EPB, DPF regeneration, BMS, SAS, throttle adaptation, and more. Supports CAN-FD and DOE protocols, compatible with the latest vehicle models, including 2023 plus GM, BMW, Mercedes, and Audi. Live data and graphic, real-time monitoring for accurate troubleshooting. Lifetime free updates, no yearly fees. Always stay updated with the latest software and vehicle coverage. Fast and user-friendly. Touchscreen display, automatic VIN recognition, and a lightweight, portable design for easy use. Who is this for? DIYers, mechanics, and professionals who want a high-end scanner without recurring costs. Get the ThinkCar ThinkScan 689 at the best price link in the description. The ThinkCar ThinkScan 689 is a solid choice, but what if you need more speed, more power, and premium level features? Say hello to the Autel Maxicom MK900. This thing is like upgrading from a bicycle to a turbocharged sports car. It's fast, smooth, and scans your car like a pro. 3. Autel Maxicom MK900, the next level diagnostic scanner for pros and DIers. Looking for a powerful all-in-one car diagnostic tool with active tests, DOE and CAN-FD support, and FCA auto-auth? The Autel Maxicom MK900 is the ultimate upgrade from the MK808 BT Pro, designed for faster, deeper, and smarter diagnostics. Why you need the Autel MK900? Full system diagnostics. Scan and troubleshoot engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, TPMS, BCM, and more with dealer-level precision. Bi-directional control, active tests, test components like fuel pumps, EGR valves, and cooling fans without disassembly. Supports DOE and CAN-FD, compatible with newer 2023 plus vehicles, including GM, BMW, and Mercedes. FCA auto-auth support. Unlock security gateways on Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Alfa Romeo without extra tools. Advanced reset and service functions. Includes oil reset, EPB, SAS, DPF, BMS, throttle adaptation, and more. Fast and user-friendly. 7-inch touchscreen, Android OS, and wireless Bluetooth V seamless diagnostics. Regular free updates. Stay ahead with the latest vehicle support and software enhancements. Who is this for? Mechanics, auto shops, and car enthusiasts looking for a professional-grade scanner with premium features. Get the Autel Maxicom MK900 at the best price link in the description. The MK900 is a game changer, but let's talk about big league diagnostics. If you need advanced ECU coding, DOE, CAN-FD support, and over 37 plus reset functions, then you need the Launch X431 Pro TT. If car scanners had a luxury tier, this one would be sitting there with a 5-star rating. 4. Launch X431 Pro TT, the ultimate diagnostic powerhouse. Need a professional-grade scanner with bidirectional control, ECU coding, CAN-FD support, and 37 plus reset functions? Meet the Launch X431 Pro TT, an 8-inch powerhouse designed for mechanics, workshops, and serious DIYers. Why choose the X431 Pro TT? Full system diagnostics. Scan and diagnose engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, TPMS, BCM, and more with dealer-level precision. Bidirectional control, active tests. Send commands to injectors, throttle bodies, ABS pumps, and fans to pinpoint faults faster. ECU coding and online programming. Unlock hidden functions and reprogram ECUs on supported vehicles. 37 plus reset and special functions. Includes oil reset, EPB, DPF regeneration, BMS, IMO key programming, SAS, and throttle adaptation. Supports CAN-FD and DOE protocols. Works with the latest 2023 plus GM, BMW, Mercedes, and other modern vehicles. DB-SCAR 7 connector ensures faster, more stable wireless diagnostics. Fast and user-friendly, 8-inch touchscreen, Android OS, and Wi-Fi updates keep you ahead of the game. Regular free updates. Stay updated with new car models and software enhancements. Who is this for? auto technicians, repair shops, and car enthusiasts who need top-tier diagnostics with no compromise. Get the Launch X431 Pro TT at the best price on AliExpress. All right, we've covered scanning and coding, but what if your biggest problem is, well, getting into your car in the first place? Lost keys, key programming issues, immobilizer troubles? Don't stress, the AutoFix IM1 is here to save the day. Whether you need key learning, remote programming, or full IMO services, this tool is your personal locksmith in a box. Still not sure which scanner is right for your car? Drop your car details and budget in the comments, and I'll personally help you find the best option. No guesswork needed. 5. AutoFix IM1, the ultimate key programming and diagnostic tool. Looking for a powerful all-in-one key programmer and diagnostic tool? The AutoFix IM1 is a game changer for locksmiths, mechanics, and car enthusiasts, offering full IMO service, key programming, and advanced diagnostics. Why choose the AutoFix IM1? Advanced key programming. Supports key learning, key generation, all keys lost scenarios, and EEPROM chip reading. Full IMO system diagnostics. Works on 2,000 plus models from 60 plus car brands, including BMW, Audi, VW, Ford, Nissan, and more. XP1 key programmer included. Handles BMW CAS and FM BDC, VW MQB, Toyota 8A, and Mitsubishi ID47 keys. Some may need extra accessories. Smart IMO functions. Supports OBD key programming, pin bypass for Ford, Hyundai, and Kia, and remote key learning. Full system vehicle diagnostics. Get OE-level scanning for engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, and more. Live data and ECU programming. View real-time data and perform advanced IMO coding and ECU replacement, brand-specific. User-friendly touchscreen interface, 7-inch display, 64 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a 5,800 mAh battery for all-day performance. 2-year free updates. Stay ahead with the latest vehicle software and security updates. Who is this for? Locksmiths, professional mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts looking for a top-tier key programming and diagnostic tool. Get the AutoFix IM1 at the best price on AliExpress. Link in the description. So, which one do you think is the best? Whether you're a pro mechanic, a DIY car enthusiast, or just tired of paying for dealership diagnostics, these tools have you covered. Check out the best deals in the description. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more.